Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. You need to begin by accessing Calendar app. If you never used it before, you need to select this icon at the bottom right corner of it and tap on Got It. Now click on the month above and pick a date by clicking on it. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event. From here, you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you can click over here on Events and select one of those sections or even one of your emails. Then pick starting hour and ending one. You can even click on the date over here and change it. If you want to, you can always disable this option as well by choosing this sweater next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and tap on the best option for you if you want your event to repeat. You can also go with Custom and adjust it. I will go with Repeats every 3 weeks. Then save your changes by choosing Done at the top right corner. If you don't want your event to repeat, just click on the same option and tap on Does Not Repeat. Then you can scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. From here, you need to select while using the app or only this time for this option to work properly. Type in an address and tap on the correct one. Now set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before. Change color of it. Take some notes and even add attachments. When you're ready, save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can always edit it by clicking on it and selecting this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. In order to discard them, you can choose top left corner over here and choose Discard in the pop-up. In order to save it though, tap on Save. If you wish to delete your event, click on it again and tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of it. Then tap on Delete at the top. And finally, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!